So I'm here in District 5, Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City, and I was looking up things to do in District 5, and they said check out this traditional Chinatown alley here on 206 Chun Hum Dao Street. Wow, it's beautiful. Has these blue balconies. Some birds. Looks like they have a chicken shop up there. I guess this is what a Chinatown alley looks like. I'm not sure. Doesn't seem to be a whole lot of commerce here. Not a lot of shops selling things. It must be very residential. Let's see what this is. Chow Chu. Here's some cha sữa. Ooh, let's get one of those cha sữa Thai đó. Chào chị. Lấy một trà sữa Thai đó.
Ok.
Yeah.
Mình nấu ly lớn hay nhỏ?
Sao? Lớn hay nhỏ? Size nhỏ được. Yeah. Do you em biết nói tiếng Anh không?
Một chút.
Okay. Let's speak English. Is this alley? Is it like a Chinese alley or a Chinatown alley?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you know how old it is?
100 years old.
100 years old? Oh, that's very cool. It's very beautiful here.
Yes.
Yeah. "100 years old, very cool." So 1923. I'm getting one of these Thai red milks. They're really good. I tried one the other day at Katinat.
You want normal sugar or?
Ít đường.
Ít đường.
Yeah. Do many people come here and take pictures and?
Yes,
Yeah.
many a lot. Have England, Philippines, and France.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. What about Americans?
I don't know, but also is French.
French?
Yeah.
All right, well.
They don't speak English, just French.
Okay. Yeah, bao nhiêu?
20.000.
20. Well, hôm nay có một người nước Mỹ ở đây.
Yeah. Anh em hội nghị nước Mỹ tới.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, come on in.
Yeah.
Do you have a bag? Like
Yeah.
a little bag? How do you say bag in Vietnamese? Can I?
Túi.
Túi? Okay, so like cho anh một túi?
Cái túi.
Một cái túi? Okay, come on in. Bye bye. So we got our Thai red milk. Very good. It's got like it's a sweet flavor, just a little bit sweet. Also, I got a little bit of sugar. It tastes a little bit milky, but it's not like a cow's milk type taste. I'm not really sure how to explain it, but it's got a little bit of a thick texture, a little bit of sweetness. I'm not sure why it's red. Maybe you guys can help me out if you know why this is a red tea, but it's good. Okay, let's go see what else we can find here in District 5. I want to see, I've been getting some headaches lately. I'm not sure why I'm getting those headaches, but I'm gonna see if I can find some like Chinese or Eastern medicine in this district. So I'm on my way to this street, this pharmacy street, but I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful this district is. Look at these buildings here. Very old, very, I don't know if that's colonial style or Chinese style, I'm not sure. Some markets here. We're gonna do more exploring of District 5. Okay, so we're in the heart of District 5 here in the Chinatown of Ho Chi Minh City. Parked our bike here. Not too bad, so we'll come back there. Now we can walk around a little bit. So we are in search of the pharmacy street. It's called like Hai Thun Lan Om or something. Hai Thun Lan Om, something like that. Flower shops here. Some ornaments or lanterns. I think we found the street. Right here next to this guy. Phang Den Pho. Yes. We did find the Hai Thun Lan Om. A lot of traffic right now. Yeah. Made it across L Street. Let's go this way. I saw like what looked like a market or something. Bike repairs here. I think that's called Suicide, I'm not sure. This is a post office.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. So not a market, post office. Still looks pretty interesting. Hello. People seem to be pretty friendly here so far. So I wonder where we can find like a nhà thuốc. Chào cô.
Hello.
Hello. Chào anh. Up there on that street there's a river. The street that goes along the river is Vav and Keat. Vav and Keat. That's probably better pronunciation. Market alert. Chơ bạc liêu say yum. Market alert. Alright, we gotta find a pharmacy. Looks like this is a hardware street. Different locks, different coils of metal. Hello. Có biết nhà thuốc gần đây?
Nhà thuốc hả?
Yeah, nhà thuốc châu Á. Yeah, medicine. Like medicine then to Trung Quốc.
Chinese.
Chinese medicine, yeah.
Bên đây là Hai Thương Lan Ông đây nè. Thuốc đây, đây nhà thuốc Nam hả? Đúng rồi, Hai Thương Lan Ông đây nè. Nhìn đây nào. You go
That way?
that way.
Okay.
Turn left
Turn left.
and turn right.
Okay. So left on which street? Quẹo trái ở đường nào?
Quẹo trái, Hải Thượng Lãng Ông Street.
Oh, he's writing directions. Oh, very nice. Thank you. Vui quá. Vui lắm.
Anh đến từ đâu?
Đến từ nước Mỹ.
Mỹ. Yeah.
Đúng rồi.
Anh ở đây chơi lâu không?
6 năm rồi.
Anh ở đây 6 năm. Wow.
Ừ.
Tiếng Việt ok à?
Cảm ơn nha. Hai Thương Lan Ông. Hai Thương Lan Ông ở kia. Yeah. So quẹo trái ở đây, quẹo phải ở đường này à? Okay. And then có nhà thuốc Trung Quốc à? Okay.
China.
Yeah, cảm ơn mọi người. Yeah, thank you. Chinese medicine. We got the name of the street that we were on just now. We'll go back that way. Let's take an alternative route. Since we already went down that street, we'll go down this street so we can see the market. This chợ này, chợ vật liệu xây dựng. Looks like another hardware, more of a hardware type place. Different wheels and pieces of metal, locks. Each market here in Vietnam, or in Ho Chi Minh City at least, tends to have like a specialization. Except for big markets like Ben Thanh Market, kind of sells everything. The markets that the locals actually go to seem to specialize. Okay, we're back on the Hai Thương Lan Ông. Hai Thương Lan Ông. I think that might be the right way to say it. I said it to an uncle who I tried to get directions from earlier. I didn't film that part, but he didn't understand what I was saying. This street. Hai Thương Lan Ông. Wow. Chị ơi, nhà thuốc Trung Quốc ở đâu?
Dạ.
Nhà thuốc Trung Quốc ở đâu? Nhà thuốc. Hiểu không? Nhà thuốc là uống thuốc. Nhà thuốc. Nhà thuốc ở Trung Quốc. Ở kia hả? Ok, cảm ơn nha. Pharmacy over there. Nhà thuốc ở kia hả? Ok. Nhà thuốc ở Trung Quốc. Ok. Yeah, cảm ơn chú. Công con. Dạ, cảm ơn nha. Đậu phộng. Peanuts. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. This seems like a relatively busy intersection. So let's cross carefully. Okay, we made it. And one guy waved at us. That was pretty friendly. You can tell it's hot here. I'm sweating. I think I've only been outside for like 20 minutes. It's okay, just walking. It's okay. Come on, go. That was nice of her. Let's see if we can cross here. Yep. Not too bad. All right, now we can hopefully find a nhà thuốc Trung Quốc. This looks like a bunch of motorbike repairs. I think we found it. Chào chị. Ở đây là nhà thuốc cháu A không? Nhà thuốc cháu A, nhà thuốc Trung Quốc không? Chinese medicine? Không phải. Ở đâu được gặp một nhà thuốc Trung Quốc?
Đi dọc dọc xuống dưới hoặc là băng qua đường.
Ok. Nhà thuốc nào?
Đó, màu trắng kế bên Pasio. Cái tiệm màu trắng có cái tấm bảng màu trắng của tiệm Pasio đó, đó.
Ah, okay.
Rồi,
So,
rồi, đây.
Tin Phước or Tây Phước? Tây Phước hay Tây Phước được không?
Thiên Phước.
Oh, Tin Phước. Okay. Come on, yeah. So we got to go across the street again to find a Chinese medicine. These streets are perilous. These perilous streets. Ooh, I don't know about that. I don't like when I see the big old cars. That scares me a bit. All right, we going for it. If you ever need a lesson in how to cross the street here in Vietnam, maybe you should watch this video. Or don't, because I'm doing some crazy, probably shouldn't ever do this stuff.